Okay, so in today's video we are going to discuss very important topic which is nucleus. Just because nucleus is the central part or that simply work as a brain in a human, but in plants or yes in plants if you're discussing cell here, so cell control center, central controller or control center is simply nucleus. So let's start with the nucleus. So this is very important control center. This will be a detailed topic, but this will be divided into few parts. You need to watch completely to get the concept clearly. So yes, let's get started with its structure. Okay, so let's start with the diagram first. If this is the cell, this is the cell, this is the nucleus. Okay, so let me just write this: the cell, this is the nucleus. Then we know that this nucleus is divided or like having two membrane layers. How? Nucleus simply structure is literally like this. These are equally, but I did not make perfectly, but yes, still you need to get the concept. So yes, this is the structure. How? This one is the outer membrane. This like here, this part or this part is known as the inner membrane. And in these, this complete part is having a fluid where fluid, yes, that is it. So yes, this inner space is known as perinuclear space. I'm not writing complete, this is perinuclear space. Okay, then we have something more interesting here. What is that? This space you can look into this space, or like you'll find near the every space of the inner and the outer membrane. These are the pores. Pores simply means holes. What's the function of holes now? So pore help in the transportation. How? If this is the cell and this is the cytoplasm, we know that. Okay, let me just write here as well, this is the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm here is the transportation of what? Here's the transportation of protein and the RNA. Like this, the vice versa process. Like protein would be gone here, RNA would be gone here. Like this would be a process. Like this simply allow the particle to go in the cytoplasm and come to the nucleus as well. Okay, so I'm sure you're getting this concept. So yes, now we are discussing like inside the nucleus you will find here, you will find some material like the chromatin or the chromosomes. What exactly are these? Now let's discuss. We know this is the inner part now, like this is the inner membrane, this is the outer membrane, this perinuclear space, these pores. Except these, this is the middle part. Oh god. Okay, yes, this is the middle part which we'll be discussing. So here we have this kind of structure which is chromatin. Still wait, here we have the one kind of fluid. Okay, then still you know what, that inner this structure is known as nucleoplasm. nucleo Nucleoplasm. Okay, then nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm. If you will combine this structure with this cytoplasm, you'll find a new term. Then what that term is, that is protoplasm. That is protoplasm. And this is very common term in this cell and its a structure chapter. You'll find everywhere this term. So let's see in this picture here, look at these: nuclear envelope, nucleus, chromatin, nucleoplasm, endoplasm, veil. Well, we'll discuss these all in the upcoming video as well.